Shakti Foundation is a non-profit organization, and we've been working since 2010 in different social spheres, in waste management, in livelihoods, in children with special needs. And in April 2021, all our programs were suspended when the second wave of COVID struck. We realized that the world was looking at Delhi, and sooner rather than later, there would be resources which would be reaching Delhi. So that is where we decided that we needed to focus out of Delhi, out of the national capital region, especially at states like Uttarakhand and Himachal, which were the hill states and the mountain states where the resources were limited and people were not really reaching.
When as Shakti Foundation, we started looking at the situation in Himachal. At that time, COVID was at its peak, and the immediate response needed was to see how the governance system, which was trying to deal with this pandemic, could be strengthened. So we immediately started looking at civil hospitals and the primary health centers, which were the first port of call for people who are now needing support from doctors. And we realized that oxygen was the main issue, and we started helping out with concentrators. So concentrators were provided to selected hospitals where people in inaccessible areas were finding it difficult to come. As we started looking at this response and working closely, we found that almost 85% of the people who are infected were being dealt in home conditions. And at what point do they need to move to the hospital so that they're not too late and therefore do not have too strong complications and end up with severe ailments or even fatalities? The important thing was to get them moving on time. And this work was to be done by ASHA workers who, while they were very brave and were prepared to go out there, were struggling with inadequate equipment. So when we talked to the health department, they also shared with us that the ASHA system, which the first level response, needs to be strengthened. So we came up with this idea of an ASHA Shakti Kit, which basically provides things all the way from a face mask, shields, apron, gloves, sanitizers for the ASHA worker to protect herself and her family from possible exposure, but also giving her oximeters, digital thermometers, which she could use to find out which patient at what time may need to move for better reference to a doctor. This idea has also been picked up by other organizations, and they are going ahead and doing this, which is very, very good for us in the sense of us having helped find a solution.
ASHA Shakti Kit is an empowering toolkit for the ASHA workers. Having a completely bundled kit exclusively for the ASHA workers has been a very good morale booster for the ASHA workers. When ASHAs were provided this kit, so they felt much more comfortable to visit the patients, go out and actively involve in the patient care. So this has been one of the good results of the ASHA Shakti Kit, which has recently been introduced by the Shakti Foundation.
As the pandemic progressed further, the cases started coming down, and we realized that many of the people who are now had gone back home but still suffered from lung-related ailments needed some oxygen support, though a smaller one at home. And then we started finding lots of social organizations, NGOs, youth groups, who were now providing this interface. They were well connected on the ground, they knew who needed help, but did not have the equipment. So in the final round of things, we've started providing concentrators to these social organizations so that they can help in the fag end of this second wave
हमें बहुत सी ऑक्सीजन के सिलेंडरों की ज़रूरत थी और इसके अलावा कंसंट्रेटर मशीनें जो बहुत ही उपयोगी सिद्ध हुई इन दिनों, तो उनकी भी ज़रूरत थी। शक्ति फाउंडेशन नई दिल्ली है, इन लोगों ने हमारे लिए बहुत सी ऑक्सीजन की मशीनें भेजी जिनसे हम लोगों की मदद कर सके।
So as the MAC grants have been working with multiple partners across the country and have deployed more than 30,000 oxygen concentrators and 10,000 cylinders since the start of the second wave. We've been working with Shakti Foundation since the end of May 2021 across the two states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. They have helped us in getting to the remotest locations of the PHCs and CHCs in these two states, and we're happy to report that we've deployed more than 500 cylinders and concentrators across these facilities. We're extremely happy that we partnered with them and now are looking forward to extend our partnership to ensure that we're able to track the utilization of these devices at these facilities.
We were out of funds. So at this point, given they are stepped in, and again, we are most thankful to them. And almost 800 ASHA kits were deployed in, again, different parts of Uttarakhand and Himachal through Give India.
The SL Social Welfare Foundation has been supporting the Shakti Foundation since 2019. In the recent pandemic, we financed them for buying oxygen concentrators, medicines, equipment, and giving it to rural hospitals in the most needy areas where there was no medical help. So Shakti Foundation helped us and did a lot of good work. We are partnering with them and will continue to do that as we find the results are very positive and their work is very good.
I've been associated with Shakti Foundation for many years now and have been supporting them and the various causes as a donor and a member of their advisory committee. I'm especially happy and delighted to see the impact of their work in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during the second wave of COVID-19, especially with the deployment of ASHA kits and the concentrators. I wish them all the very best in the future endeavors, and I will continue to support organizations like Shakti working with the needy and the marginalized.